Hi, welcome to this video, and in this video today we're going to learn lesson 27. So let's get started. So the first one we're going to learn is multiplying decimals, and we're going to work on number 1. So when we multiply decimals, we need to take out the decimal point first, and we're going to take care about the decimal point later. Okay, so we take out the decimal point, so this will be 891 times 1000, and then it will be 891,000. And then now we look at this part. So when we look at this, there's one digit behind the decimal point, right? One digit behind the decimal point. So this should be the same as this answer. So this answer should have one digit behind the decimal point too. So we're going to go to left by 1 unit, and then the decimal point should be here. Like this. So there's one digit behind the decimal point. So the final answer of this will be this. $89,100. Okay. So 89,100.0. And then let's move on. And the next one is converting fractions. So we're going to convert the improper fractions to the mixed numbers. We're going to work on number 2. And we have 57 over 5. So we need to know how many times 5 goes into 57. So in order to do that, we're going to divide 57 by 5. So 57 divided by 5 will be 5 and then 7, and then the remainder is 2. So 5 goes into 57 11 times, because 11 times 5 is 55. So we're going to write 11 here, and then the denominator stays the same. So 11 times 5 is 55. So 57 minus 55 is 2, right? So we have 2 left. So we're going to write 2 here for the numerator. Alright, so the final answer will be 11 and 2 over 5. Okay. And the next one is measurement. So we're going to convert the given measures to new units. So this is given, so we should remember this. 1 mile is equal to 1,760 yards, and it is also equal to 5,280 feet. So we have mile here, and then we need to convert it to yards. So 1 mile is equal to 1,760 yards, and then we have 7 miles here. That means we need to multiply this by 7 so we can get the answer. So let's do this. I'm going to multiply the numbers in ones place first, and then this, and then this. So 0 times 7 is 0, and then 6 times 7 is 42. So I'm going to write 2 here, and then 4 goes up here. And then 7 times 7 is 49. But we need to add this 4 here. So 49 plus 4 is 53. So I'm going to write 3 here, and then 5 goes up here. And 1 times 7 is 7. So 7 times 5 is 12. So I'm going to write 12 here. And this will be the final answer. Okay. And then let's move on to the last one. And then last one is rounding. So we're going to do number 1 and 2. And number 1 we have 8,045. So the number 4 is underlined here. So we're going to round to number 4. So when we round the numbers again, we're going to look at the number which is on the right side of the underlined number. So for this one, we're looking at 5 here. So if this number is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, we are rounding down. And if the number is 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9, we're rounding up. And for this one, we have 5 here. So we're going to round it up. So this 4 here is going to be 5 because we rounded it up. And then this 5 will be 0. So the final answer will be 8,050. And then let's do another one. We have 183,335. And the 8 is underlined here. So we need to look at this 3 here. So 3 is less than 5. So we need to round it down. So this 8 will just stay the same. And then the other numbers on the right side of 8 will be zeros. It doesn't become 9 because we didn't round it up. It just stays the same. So this will be 180,000. And this will be the final answer. Okay, so this is it for this lesson, and thank you for watching.